Today, we're talking about something that most homeowners don't think about until it breaks: your water heater. Specifically, should you go tankless or stick with a traditional tank during your remodel?
This is one of those upgrades that can actually impact your comfort and your energy bills. So let's break down the pros, the cons, and what's best for the Long Island home.
Let's dive right in. Now, how does each system actually work? Let's start simple. A traditional tank water heater takes 40 to 80 gallons of water, heats it up, and stores it until you actually need it. That means that it's constantly maintaining that hot water, even when you're not home.
A tankless system, on the other hand, heats water on demand. When you turn on a faucet, cold water will flow through a heat exchanger powered by gas or electricity and will become instantly hot. There's no storage and there's no standby heat loss.
Sounds awesome, right? But the real question is, does it make sense for your home? Now let's talk about the pros and cons of a traditional tank.
The big pros: they're affordable, they're easy to install, and replacement parts are everywhere. On Long Island, a 50-gallon gas unit installed will run you anywhere from $2,500 to $3,500, depending on the brand and venting.
But the downside: they are not efficient. They're constantly reheating that water. So essentially, you're paying to keep water hot all day, even when you're at work or you're sleeping. Plus, they only last about 8 to 12 years. And once you use all of the hot water in the tank, you're then waiting for it to refill.
All right, now let's talk about the pros and cons of a tankless system. The biggest advantage: endless hot water. Under most circumstances, you will never run out. It's perfect for large families with numerous showers or appliances and back-to-back showers.
They're also super efficient. Because they only heat water when you need it, tankless systems can save about 20 to 35% on your energy bills. And the best part: they last longer, upwards of 20 or more years.
A tankless system can run anywhere from $4,500 to $6,500 here on Long Island, and even higher if you're switching from electric to gas, or if your home needs a new or challenging venting setup.
And they require regular maintenance, usually a yearly descaling or flush. This is to keep the mineral buildup from affecting its performance. It is crucial. So now let's discuss which one is better for a remodel.
Here's where things get interesting. If you're already remodeling, adding bathrooms, upgrading HVAC, or redoing your plumbing, that would be the perfect time to go tankless.
Because you're already opening up walls and upgrading systems, you can plan the proper gas line, venting, and space for a tankless unit without extra labor costs later on. Retrofitting an existing home is usually more expensive.
But if you're just replacing an old tank and not touching the rest of the house, a traditional water heater might make more sense. It's quick, it's cheaper, and you're back up and running fast.
Now, what does the cost comparison look like over time? Over 20 years, a traditional tank might need to be replaced about 2 times. That's about $6,000 to $7,000 total over time. Plus, you'll have higher energy bills during that time.
A tankless system, while more expensive up front, can last those full 20 years and save hundreds per year in gas or electrical costs. So over time, the cost will even out and you won't be sacrificing your comfort.
So while tankless is the bigger investment early on, it can be the smarter play if you're planning on staying in your home for the long term.
So here's our advice. Think about how you live. If you've got a big family, high water use, or you're doing a big remodel, tankless is definitely worth it. If you're a smaller household or you're planning to move in a few years, stick with a traditional tank.
And always choose a licensed installer that knows the local codes. Long Island towns and villages, when it comes to gas and ventilation, have very strict rules, which means cutting corners there is a bad idea. So, what's better, tankless or traditional? You know what? Both can be great. It just depends on your home, your budget, and your long-term plans.
If you're planning a remodel or an addition, that's the perfect time to explore a tankless upgrade. We'd be happy to take a look and help you decide what makes the most sense for your space.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. We'll see you next time.